Now, how to crimp pie crust. To crimp the pie dough, pinch it between your fingers. If the dough gets warm or sticky, briefly place the tin in the freezer or refrigerator. Fold a round piece of parchment paper into quarters and cut 1-inch slits. Unfold and place into the crust and fill with dried beans, evenly to the edge. Then bake until the edges are light golden brown. Remove from the oven and take out the beans with an ice cream scoop. Remove all the beans from the tin puncture the crust all over with a fork and return to the oven until light golden brown. The pie crust is now ready to be filled. For more recipes, visit DixieCrystals.com.